Over the last few years, the world has changed tremendously in terms of increased growth of the internet and networking technologies. Growth in the internet and networking technologies drove the way to increased access of and to the internet. 10 years ago, the internet was mainly accessible to computer-savvy people only, but now technological advancement has opened up the ways to access the internet through various means of devices other than PCs. And now people are able to access the internet through their handheld devices, mobile phones, potentially even through the refrigerator. Every device that supports the internet needs the use of an IP address or an internet protocol address. So as the technologies supporting the internet for using IP addresses are growing, demand of IP addresses on the internet is increasing. To meet the increasing demand of IP addresses, we need more address space as compared to the address space provided by IPv4. Secondly, the size of IP routing tables in the internet is increasing with the growth of the network. So primarily there are two major problems with using IPv4: the shortage of public addresses and the size of routing tables. And I would add to that the lack of security, which can be accommodated in IPv6 as well. The best solution for these problems today is IPv6. And IPv6 addresses are 128 bits in size as opposed to 32 bits. That provides much more address space and resolves the issue of address shortage. When you think of the difference between 32 bits and 128 bits, keep in mind that for every new bit we add, we double the size of the address pool. So going from 32 bits to 33 bits would double the size of the address pool. But we didn't do that. We went from 32 all the way to 128. Secondly, the address assignment policy of IP version 6 helps keep the size of the routing tables much smaller in those internet routers for increased efficiency and better performance.